analytical ability, reasoning ability. If it is the government job, private job, aided, unaided, even the college lecturers, they are taking as a small preliminary test. It's not a small. They will spell you as a small because something is there in the future. Yes, something tough task is there in the future. I completed my MS in physics, not an arts graduate. I'm a science graduate. Then immediately I appointed as a civil engineer in Indian Railway. As a civil engineer, they not posted me as a technical grounds. They posted me as a business administration. That's the reason I completed my MBA. Because without studying books, without learning from the teachers, without learning from the companies, we can't learn the knowledge. Without knowledge, you can't operate the tally also. If you operate the tally, somebody will mistally. Tally is not a software, it's a programming, how you are deciding. Laborers will come, you need to pay them the salary. That salary should be entered sometimes in tally, sometimes not entered in the tally. You need to check it up with your subordinates. And you are dealing with the different kinds of departments. Not only your MBA, what are the finance people who are next chair of you. You need to get the inputs from the marketing team, business development, HR, everything you only responsible. This is one of a practical history whatever you are running in your life. When the risk will come, big bosses will be fight each other in a partnership. It's a practical example, sir. Even the government, even the contractors or whatever, between the fighting starts, I am working in a marketing division. But I am dealing with the finance people. I am dealing with the laborers. I am dealing with the business administration people. We can call it as a business development. There are some ranks out there. Executive level to DGM, director. Then sometimes you will feel, yeah, this boy came with the influence. Maybe you may come with the influence. If you do the 100% of genuinity work, you are the boss one day. Now coming to the private companies, today they will open, next day they will close. Between the fighting starts between the managers. Yes? On that case, what is your life? What is your study of the certificate? You studied 2 years, you completed your coursework, you respected your teachers, very good students you are. Well, coming to the market, your name is not there. Anywhere company also you are not posted. How do you disturb? Once you can imagine, 1 month you are sitting at home. First daddy will wake up you at 7 o'clock. Yes? And they will keep on spend you when you completed your MBA. Then you will check, this education is waste. Education never be waste. That is the fact. Everyone knows that. If education waste, you can't enter into the college only. If it is perfect, you can't enter into the college. But whenever you are failing your career, parents is the first authority. They will ask the 100 questions for a simple reason. And we are unable to say the answer. Why? Because whenever you are studying your course, you not practice it thoroughly. Once, let us explain what is this MBA finance and why the demand is there for the MBA finance. Nowadays, generally your friends also will say, why MBA degree is required? Leave it about the finance. Why MBA degree? I completed Master in Science. Why I choose MBA? Because while going to the place, MBA is necessary. We are unable to manage the business. We can manage the people. If you go with your scooter without helmet, you can pay 50 rupees, police person will take you. But MBA, if you not complete, you can't run the organization. You don't know what all the divisions are there. What is their functions? And each and every person is important for the business. Sometimes you open a tea shop. Number of tea shops are surrounding you. Already you know that you opened. And you are seeing, once you can go down, see the video of a tea person. Different kinds of tea persons are there. He's keep on standing here, entire the 24 hours, per day only 30 people only they are having tea. Yes. One more person just far away, he opened a very big board. Here tea only 6 rupees, there 60 rupees. Here only 50 persons are coming, 50 into 6 how much? 300 rupees is income. How much is paying the rent? Minimum 3,000. Even bathroom size also 3,000 only in Bangalore city. How much is paying rent? How much is getting income? There is a brand. Call it as a brand. If you get a job in this company, you may not get the salary full-fledged. Yes, choosing of the company also talent. And interviewing with the HR also one of a talent to you. Because number of HRs will be there. They may ask a number of questions. You need to say all the answers whatever they ask. Sometimes you need to check what type of question they are asking, whether the question is relevant to you or not. If it is not relevant to you as per your applied post, with the laugh you have to reject it. With angry if you reject it, again problem to you. Your name will be somewhere. Some of the interviews will be taken. Some students will say, Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ email ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. They are having their own protocol. They are having their own division. They are having their considered mark list which is unique number. Yes, whenever you are going for any interview, my humble request, neglect with a smile. If you don't know the answer, if it is a regular answer or illegal answer, laugh and reject it. That is one of the talent there you need to. In the colleges, generally lecturers, we won't say that much level. Who are all failing in their life, you talk to them, they will say 100 stories in their life. Then only they will success. Without you challenge, if you listen something, other experience, it may not reflect you. Some other experience you may get it. Yes? Once your age is increases, you can't study further. As a boy, you can able to study up to maximum 35, not more than that. You should get job at the age of 21. If it is 21 crosses, competition also increased, not hundreds, lakhs to them. Now once we can discuss why this MBA is required. The first concept here, develop priceless management skills. Sometimes you don't need to expense, but you can able to do business. What type of business without expense? Without expense, what type of business you can do?
Sharing knowledge.
Which one?
Sharing knowledge.
Sharing knowledge also you have to explain something. And sharing up the, for example, you completed your MBA, you are going as a somewhere. I am talking about not a person, to the organization. Yes, you are working for the organization. For example, you are appointed in the Alpha Group. Say an example. Your name never will be there, Alpha Group name only will be there. If you do something mistake, Alpha Group will be comes down. That's the reason they will do some of the controls. So whenever you are going job, don't feel that cause of your company is developed. They are having their own protocol. They set you initially while giving training, without giving training. So you need to be prompt enough how to activate your knowledge. Without expense money, what type of business you can do? Even the education also you have to open a small table and the book. That's right. At least you have to open that digital communication also you have to expense minimum mobile cost. Without that, what it is there? Any idea? Without expense, you can able to sell out. Who is the person? Can you think? Can you think? Nothing is there. Even the farmer having his own field, he is expensing something fertilizers. But we are doing MBA to minimize the priceless management. We can able to reduce our the cost. The input cost we have to reduce. For that number of plans, number of tactics, you can apply whatever your level best. Maybe friendship, maybe your own, maybe something else. But the first, whenever we are studying MBA, we should know that develop the priceless management skills. If you are increasing the price, no meaning that you are doing business. You are not eligible as an MBA. That's the reason some people are not getting the job. Higher salary job they are not getting, but something their job they are getting. What kind of job? They will join in Airtel, they will sell the SIMs. For that MBA is not required. 10th standard student can able to do that, who failed in the 10th standard. And for the SIM purpose, nowadays they may not sell the SIM also, directly number only they make it through digital. Of course, digital is increasing. Persons they don't want now. Whenever technology is increasing, automatically something the employment ratio is decreasing. So in MBA, you need to develop the priceless management skill. Please note down this point. Okay? Some parts you note it down. MBAs and their connected specializations will teach you a lot about everything that makes a company tick. You will learn how manufacture, advertise and sell your product. You should know that. Then keep the company finance healthy. Whenever company finance healthy, your life will be healthy. Generally, managers also will say, whenever you are appointing as a job, you should be prompt enough, you should be disciplined. From the lecturer onwards, they are saying, these are all the things will develop the finance of a company. It should be healthy. If healthy company having the healthy results. If the company don't have any finance, they won't pay you the salary. If your salary is 60,000, you have to give them 6 lakhs rupees per month. That time only they will pay 60,000. Put it in the mind. No one will pay from the pocket. Yes, you need to minimize the cost of the budget in their annual budget. You need to run the company from the executive stage. Initially, whenever you are going for any company, they won't give you under the execution also. They will put you a chair. You have to sit down there for 2 weeks. They won't allow you to do any one of the records. Slowly they will observe you. You are under the observation position because we deputed some of the people. They went to the big companies. They failed. We thought that they are very good in our company. Again, company challenges also will be there in our life. So minimize the expenses. Second thing, maintain the company's positive image. Some employees you can see after the company sign out, this type of talks will go to up to the manager level. Then your life becomes down. Never misspell about the company image. Do your logic. That's the reason we are MBA graduates. Yes, if you have the less income, think that how you can improve your income more. It doesn't mean that the image of a company, if you say something, somebody will tell you, yes, this boy is saying that 6,000 is not sufficient at sales. Then they will change your place. They will observe for 5,000 rupees. Whether you can accept or not, you will come to the room and you will scratch. Fine, 1,000 rupees less, I can able to maintain. These maintenance will end your life. That's right. So this is the one thing. And gather and interpret industry data. You should be interpret the industry data. Simple example I'll tell you. You open a cloth showroom. What type of cloths Bangalore civilians needed, you need to think. Which climate you have to sell the product, that's also you should think. And how many people are there in this area when your shop, you need to justify. Simply opening the shop and somebody is coming, have the all infrastructure, doesn't mean that you are running a company. You have n number of infrastructure, but you are unable to sell any one of the product. Nowadays, semi-generally they are purchasing. You need to think how to sell my product through Amazon. Again, the grand festival they are saying, which company will give the minimum cost to you? Everyone, they are looking their own profit. They are sending you some of the things. Yes, no one will sell you the loss. So you need to be interpret the industry data. So, example, you want to join Pizza Hut. What is their duty? As a MBA finance, what is your duty? And the same Pizza Hut, they may open the company Pizza Bikes. They will change the name. So on that time you need to think why they changed the name. What about your taxes? Whether the taxes reducing, you are reducing to paying of the other company, or you are paying excess taxes to show the negotiation with another company. So these are all the challenges the finance department is facing. Yes, not only finance department, MBA department. Now hire the right people and keep them motivated. Yes, you need to hire people and you have to keep on the motivated. Whenever the motivation you started, you personally feel that yes, I can do. Yes, whenever you are demoting the people, search for the other job. One day you also search for the other job because your mind won't be promote on the doing of the job. Where my friends faced, they are not even standardization in the trainings. They came down, they are able to settle down there. And where they join, somewhere they come to join. After they die, they won't die. But no use of MBA. How that ordinary person is sustaining is equal to MBA graduate sustainability. It should not happen. Yes, ma'am? Then create hierarchies that help the company thrive. Whenever you are the MBA graduate, you can't go to the company as a formal tradition. Yes, you have your own person, your own dignity, and everyone will ask you the salary one day. Sir, I need, when you will pay the salary? This type of things that people will be able to communicate with you. And make the tough calls at right time. Sometimes what happens, the company will closing down, the MBA finance who completed, they pick up the company growth. It will happen. Now, you can see the second advantage get free access to a large business network. Who are studying more, you are going for the different conferences, you will get the n number of networks. You can able to run anyway whatever you like it. Yes, this is the second positive of MBA. So, each and every tea party also will help to you by the MBA. Sometimes, even the government or the private, whatever the industry you are working, MBA degree who are completed, they will offer only MBA. The reason behind that, they are having a large number of networks. Sometimes your company production will be start from the MBA graduate only because they have the friendship. The teacup friendship is there. They can able to run the organization. That's the reason the MBA having that advantage. And MBA salary is a higher salary. Why they are paying high? Because your production is very high. If your production is very less, not sure they will pay that one salary. Once you can call your seniors, they will say this month's salary will 60 lakh. Once you note down the company, see the balance sheet. Balance sheet, even the profit also they won't pay you the salary. That MBA graduate will do the tricks. They will do the tricks. How to save the money from the next financial year. They are saving money, that's the reason they are not paying. Because next financial year they want to work in one more business. That's the reason that year they won't save. That time you need to check how to run the organization with minimum income. Because no one will do 3,000 rupees of the job. Everyone is expecting minimum 16,000 if it is MBA graduates. Are you eligible? That is a question mark. If you are eligible, sure you will get it. Clear? Now, MBA graduates are doing job in Bangalore. The same MBA graduate go to village area, can you get the same income? No. The same MBA graduate, they went to US and Russia. What about the salary ratio? Yes. Why the companies are paying more that areas? Why not village area? The reason?
Higher the income in the
Yes, higher the incoming income. Because higher sources are there, that's the reason they are getting a lot of inputs, they are paying you the higher salary. And village area, for example, village area also MBA marketing people are there. They will touch each and every shop. Tata Sky, you want connection. Every person will say I have the connection. But your life risk, you need to sell out per day at least minimum 5 connections. That's the reason you are ready with your checkbook. Yes, you are asking your data. Predetermined data you are going to each and every house. You are asking them, they will neglect. You will show the changes of between the networks. How the Tata Sky, how the Airtel. And if you connect with the Airtel, then we are giving landline free of cost. Something other opportunities are giving. But while the customer is paying, the same money only they are paying. Yes. End of the day, if you disconnect that Airtel, you are bringing even the box also. That is your sound. That trick MBA people they are playing, they are selling some of the products. Clear? It depends on the area. Second thing, for example, you will not settle down anywhere. Somewhere the problems are rising. Somewhere the competition are increasing. From last 10 years, MBA graduates, still they are looking for the job. They are changing the trends. Then start your own company from the scratch. Even though you have to start for the company, all the predetermined data should be in your mind, or else you can't run the business. Yes, that's your own company, own risk. This is the advantage. Then you can put your company name, company logo with effectively. You are seeing entire the world country, where is my name? Yes, how to run your business. Each and every day is a challengeable to you. Once if you didn't get the job anywhere in the market. Because a person who completed Master of Business Administration is equal to, his name will be in the market only. You should be gain the knowledge, you should be deliver the knowledge, you should be enough sustainability required. If it's not there, no use of this degree. Then, open the door to thrive the career opportunities. As an MBA graduate, whenever you started from the company scratch, you are giving life for some other people. Yes, that time you need to think, why I didn't get the 16,000 salary? Because whenever you started, you can't pay 16,000 salary. Yes, everyone life is the same. This is the next opportunity for MBA people. And you can see the different companies as per the Bloomberg top employees hiring the most MBA people in Deloitte, Ernst & Young, MK Singh and Boston Consulting, Amazon, Apple, IBM. These are all the names you look at. Once you apply your resume, Because whenever you are completing the course, apply the resume initially. Don't give the end of your completion of the course. Go for the interviews. Learn that what type of questions they are asking. Because after graduation you will be post somewhere. You should be post somewhere. Or else no meaning of MBA. Again, normal life, you should not get it. Clear? Something different life, where the higher salary, where the higher strategic views, everything in you. Already you know that. You need to develop it. Now, you need to adjust your experience with a new place and the culture. Sometimes the changing of job also required. Many people are changing their job. If you life posted in Honda, then Hero Honda before, later on it is divided by two, Hero and Honda. You need to sustain the culture. Where, which company, whenever you are changing the company, there the culture also will be changed. You need to adjust it for a few months. Sometimes while entrancing, if you are not feeling that it's not like a previous climate, I don't do the job, again you won't get the life again. Yes, we need to adjust the present scenario, the culture. Maybe the necessarily, maybe the high tensional work, maybe the sometimes the managers they will call you only. Willingly they will call you. Because a lot of seniors are there, they won't call you. They will call for the new employees. They will check for the new employees what is their strategic views. If you are suitable to them, then they will give you the job permanently some years. Some years I'm saying. Private company again we can't say. Whenever they will terminate you. There's no guarantee for that. Life will be settled with my boss. Of course he is fine with me. He is fine with you because he need money generation from you. That's the reason he recruited you. So we need to adjust the culture. So these are all the different companies are there where the people are started their life, they're ending their life from starting to ending. Some people depends on 5 years, 7 years or 3 years, they're coming out, they're changing their phases, they're adjusting the climate. Finally their life is good. Yes, everyone's life is good. We can't say who completed MBA they failed in their life. They won't fail in their life. That's sure. Next, other opportunity where is the MBA, you can study an MBA degree online also. This is one of the advantage. If you want to study the 10th standard, online is not there. Open course is there. They will send you the books parcel. But here through MBA, the teacher will come through online, they will explain you each and every strategic use from your home. This is the another advantage why the students are enrolling in the MBA. This is for 2019 survey. Now, MBA and finance, the most important heart of the company. Of course, every employee is the heart of the company. But without MBA finance, there is no meaning of the company. We can say directly no meaning of the company. If MBA marketing person is not there, one person of MBA finance who completed, they can do their own marketing, whatever their own way. But MBA finance, you need to pinpointedly, thoroughly, even 0.01 paisa also very important. Percentage calculations are very important. If you forget 0.01, the data will be changed. The tally data only will be changed. Company may show gain or loss. Again, you have to revise. That's the reason. A few things you must know that as the MBA. If you intended to enter a career in a finance only for its fat pay package, remuneration, and its lucrative career opportunities, then you should not succeed unless you have true calling for the finance and its related subjects. That is, the name of the finance incites a passion in you. You should not join for the salary. You should not join for your name. You should not join for the company name. That finance as a word should be inbuilt in your blood. You should thoroughly check each and every minute, second, how you are the finance. Yes, the post of executive, manager, deputy director, these are all the words only before you. Once if you know thoroughly the finance, you are everything in the finance. Yes, don't go for any job because of a few names over here, because of more salary or remuneration, we can call it as lucrative career opportunities. If I complete the finance, other company will be. Generally, MBA finance what are doing? They are doing chartered account also. And how many students listen that project management professionals? Anyone? After MBA, there is one more degree. Have you heard about that? You should aware that what is your future while studying only. Who are all completed project management professionals, their monthly income 14 lakhs averagely. 14 lakhs per month. For that, how much you have to sustain? Day and night, you should not see that. Your inbuilt mind itself, you are the finance person. In your house, generally everyone having the houses. Electrical bill you are paying. Are you checking electrical bill? Are you checking? Are you getting correctly? Are you getting correctly? Everyone is checking. Yes, the final result 393 rupees this month bill. You can pay through online, you can pay through whatever the mode. Are you checking? Are you using the 393 as a finance person? We should check. We should check. How many bulbs are there? How many computers are there? Or whatever the instruments we are using, what type of current we are getting? How much bill has to be generated? Where, which equipment is the lack now? Yes, these are all the things. How you know that to check? Because already you completed 10th standard. 10th standard only teaching for us all the subjects. Maths, physics, social, English, Kannada, everything. Why that age is required? Because in the future you are the challengeable person. While you are learning MBA, the finance you are paying from your pocket. Yes, you may be your dad pocket or your pocket, your house only. You are paying something money, but you are not cross-checking your 10th standard. There they set the formula maybe